now. I guess it's all my fault. Why even bother to call? I go to lay it on the line and she's cutting me down while she's fucking you now. She keeps cutting me down. She keeps cutting me down. This time